Hello everyone, this is Adam. On the party, if you want everyone to take a photo of your dish, I highly suggest you can try to cook this one. Lazi Ji, Chinese spicy chicken. First of all, let's make some water with scallion, ginger, and Sichuan peppercorn and some salt in it. This will help us remove the bad smells of the chicken. Now let's put some cornstarch on it. Put some oil cover on it so later they won't be dry. Lazi Ji, Chinese spicy chicken. It is crispy and smells really great. Trust me, this is gonna be the superstar on your table.